Ready to conquer email marketing with a powerful yet beginner-friendly tool? Today, we're diving into Brevo, formerly Sendinblue, to unlock your first successful email campaigns. First things first, let's get your audience organized in Brevo. Go to the Contacts section and click on Lists here. You can create a new list for your subscribers, giving it a clear name like Newsletter Subscribers. Now, to populate your list, click on Add Contacts. The easiest way is often to upload a CSV file from your existing contacts. Just make sure your file is formatted correctly with columns for email and any other relevant details you want to store. Time to craft your message. Navigate to Campaigns and click Create a Campaign. Choose Email. This brings you to the powerful Brevo email editor. Start by selecting a template or a blank canvas. The drag-and-drop interface is your best friend. You can easily add text blocks, images, buttons, and even social media links. Customize fonts, colors, and layouts to match your brand. Remember to write a compelling subject line that entices, opens, and keep your message concise and valuable. Don't forget a clear call to action. Tell your subscribers exactly what you want them to do. For even smarter engagement, explore automations. Click on the Automations tab and create a new workflow. You can set up automatic welcome emails for new subscribers or send follow-up sequences based on user actions. For instance, you can create a welcome email that sends immediately after someone subscribes, ensuring they feel welcomed and informed right away. Once your campaign is ready, click Save and Continue. You'll review your settings, select your audience list, and then you can schedule your email to send at a specific time or send it immediately. And that's your Brevo email marketing foundation. Start building relationships and driving results today.